flow, Shabba Realty.
Welcome to another exciting video tour of Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. But today it's a different one entirely. I'll be taking you on a tour from Lekki roundabout to Lekki junction to show you the developmental progress so far on the link road, which is Ibeju Lekki Highway, and as well Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. So stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. My name is Abraham Ishaba from MajorRoadProjects TV.
Welcome to Lekki roundabout. On the other side is Lekki junction. Right here is Lekki roundabout. Here is where you have Lekki beach, and to this direction you are going to Dangote refinery, Lekki DC port, Lakapine Tropicana, and several other developments happening right on this road. This is the link road between Lekki junction and Lekki roundabout. So this is Ibeju Lekki Highway. This is Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway and Lekki junction axis.
Each other does, the dreams come alive. Oh, 7 years strong. Abraham on the rise. Oh, Lagos to Abuja, we're making it real. Find your dream home. Now we hold the deal. Oh, each other does, we live for you. Dream homes, investments. We see you through you. Abraham will lead you. No shaking, no. Each other will toss, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Each other will toss, the trust and guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, be a believer. Each other will toss, we gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Turn your dreams into reality. Yes, Abraham will lead the way. Each of our realtors, no delay. From Lagos streets to Abuja town, we go find you the best. Now we hold it down. Your perfect home, you're smart to invest. With each other now we can do our best, guiding you through step by step. Each of our realtors, no stress, no rest. Each of our realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments. We see you through you. Abraham will lead you. Shaking, no. Each of our realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality.
Jennifer's Garden.
Each of our realtors, you trust in.
These are one of the estates very close to Calabar Coastal Highway project.
Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, we deliver.
We continue on Ibeju Lekki Highway.
Each of our realtors, we gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Whether you buy, sell or you did invest, we gon' guide you to make them best. Lagos home to Abuja view. Each of our realtors go work for you. Passion wicked, service no be play. Expertise strong, trust us all the way.
On this same road, you have Jennifer's Garden 1.0, Amen Estate Phase 2, and Amen Estate Phase 1. These are notable estates on this corridor at the moment.
Abraham be the man with sabi with each other. And success you each other with us. We there for you.
Jennifer's Garden 1.0. Both are owned by Funke Akindele Bello.
Each of our realtors, the trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you believer. Each of our realtors, we gon' make you prosper.
This is where the project is currently ongoing. The stamp filling and the stamping is ongoing right here on this axis. Workers are on site right here.
Real Shabba Realty, we there for you. You let the sound flow. Shabba Realty.
It's a complete drone shot, 4K drone shot of this road tour all the way from Lekki roundabout to Lekki junction. You have one big supermarket right here. This is within Amen Estate Phase 2 facility and one other hospital just ahead of you.
Let the sound flow. Let the sound flow.
To the left is the hospital.
Let the sound flow.
Some filling is still ongoing here. Amen Estate Phase 1 gate. Some filling is still ongoing here. To the left, you have New Era Redemption Camp.
Each of our realtors, the dreams come alive. Oh, 7 years strong. Abraham on the rise. Oh, Lagos to Abuja, we're making it real. Find your dream home, now we hold the deal. Oh, each of our realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, we see you through you. Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each of our realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Each of our realtors, the trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, a believer. Each of our realtors, we gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Yes, Abraham will lead the way.
If you have watched this video to this point, please hit that subscribe button, please turn on your notification bell and stay connected for future updates.
Realtors, no delay. From Lagos streets to Abuja town, we go find you the best, now we hold it down. Your perfect home, you're smart to invest. With each other now we go do our best, guiding you through step by step. Each of our realtors, no stress, no rest. Each of our realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, we see you through.
There is a police checkpoint right here. You see their van here.
You, Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each of our realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams
VIO checkpoint. Their van is there too.
into reality.
There's a Chinese factory by the left here.
Your trusted guide, find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you deliver. Each other real toss, we gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Whether you buy, sell or you dey invest, we gon'
A filling station.
guide you to make am best. Lagos home to Abuja view. Each other realtors go work for you. Passion wicked, service no be play. Expertise strong, trust us all the way. Now Abraham be the man with sabi the
Federal Road Safety Office, Eleko Junction.
chopper, na success you go carry. We there for you, dream goals, investments, see you through you.
There is a market here before now, but they've removed them because of the ongoing road construction and expansion.
Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no.
Now you see a truck going on the right hand corner. Is going towards Ibeju Lekki, MNSA Phase 3 and several other developments along that axis. And you can also connect Benin bypass through that end, connecting to the east. But right now we are connecting back to Lagos Island. I've done a video that showcased from this point back to Ibeju Lekki. If you've not seen before, go to my channel. I'll pin the video down there so you can watch them. Thank you for coming this far with me on this tour today. I look forward to see you again in my next video. Bye for now.
Each other will toss, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Each other will toss, the trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you believer. Each other will toss.